If you love animals, get ready to fall head over hooves for cows. Cows have an incredible sense of smell. They can sniff out scents from up to 6 miles away. That's like smelling pizza from the next town over. And guess what? Cows have best friends. They get stressed when they're separated, just like us. Oh, and those big, beautiful eyes? Cows have almost 360-degree vision, meaning they can see all around them without moving their heads. Talk about eyes in the back of their heads. Here's a fun one. Cows produce more milk when they listen to soothing music. So, next time you see a cow, maybe hum a little tune. Cows are utterly amazing, aren't they? Stay tuned for more amusing animal facts.